What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you are fearful in the crypto market or just new to crypto in general, this video is for you. And we're going to go ahead and dive right in. But again, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, show your support. Again, hit the little bell too. Again, you get notified anytime content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel, and we have tons of it for you. So Binance CEO says that Bitcoin bear market is healthy for crypto industry long term. So he has said that the 4-year crypto market cycle is normal and a bear market is healthier in the long term than a seemingly never-ending upward trend. Okay, price corrections are good for the market. Now, we have seen these cycles time and time again, and we've done, or at least I've done plenty of videos talking about these cycles that occur. And you can see basically from peak. So I'm just looking at the Bitcoin chart now, okay, in case you're wondering. And basically from peak to peak to peak, there's about 4 years every single time this happens. And each of these corrections end up playing out over about a year to a year and a half of that time. So we are obviously currently in the latest cycle bear market. Now, what he says is 100% correct. These corrections are healthy. Okay, it is where we can find out what the actual support levels are of crypto overall. Now, do you think it makes more sense if this was just a never-ending straight line up with no pullbacks? Do you think the crash from that would be a lot worse than these gradual pullbacks? Absolutely. Absolutely. If there's, nobody knows what the actual price should be at that point. Okay. So over time, there has been different support levels that have been baked into the pricing. Okay. Because people have, value assessed, right? So a lot of people right now think Bitcoin, a lot of people right now think Bitcoin at $18,500 is underpriced. And, if you are looking at it as a long-term investment, you're probably right. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice, but it also goes to show you that this thing that we're in right now, this bear market, these happen. And they happen right on cue every 4 years. Okay. Now, that's not to say that this, isn't different than previous market cycles. Obviously, there's different macroeconomic events. There's war, there's inflation, all this sorts of stuff that is helping obviously push down the price, right? But that doesn't mean that this cycle is going to be different just because there are factors that are at play here currently. If anything, once we end up coming out of this, right, all this stuff that's happening again, inflation, interest rates, war, all this sort of stuff, the hangover from the pandemic, right? That actually means that we should recover stronger, right? Because the economy in that point is going to be in a lot better place than it was 2 years ago. Now, that being said, as always, make sure you do your own research. Your money is to do with what you please. Just obviously know what you're getting your money into. Just bear in mind that these things do happen. So it's not by any surprise. None of us here at ClearCryptos are surprised that things have played out the way they are. And anybody that's been through these cycles before probably isn't surprised either. And guess what? Probably 4 years from now, we're probably going to be doing the same exact thing, making the same exact video. So hope you guys took something positive away from this video. Hopefully you learned something. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime the content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. We got tons of it for you. Videos, shorts, live streams, the whole kit and caboodle. So appreciate you guys stopping out. And as always, hope you guys have a great one. Really hope to catch you in the next video. Take care.